Hi learners! Welcome to another day of meaningful learning. I am Teacher Ryan and I am your teacher in TVE Carpentry. And you are watching DepEd MP TV. Today, let's learn about hazard and risk in the workplace. Now, be ready with your paper, pencil, and your self-learning module. Are you familiar with the hazard and risk in the workplace? If yes, keep still. If not, don't worry. This lesson is based on the most essential learning competency of DepEd, which is to identify the hazard and risk in the workplace.
At the end of this module, you are expected to identify possible hazard and risk in the workplace, 2. Set hazard and risk precautions, and number 3. Follow health and safety method.
Today, I will guide you to do the activities in your self-learning module. But before we proceed to our lesson, let's see how far is your knowledge about the hazards and risks by answering the pre-assessment. Were you able to answer all the items correctly? Great job! If not, don't worry. Let's study them all today.
What is hazard?
Hazard is any source of potential damage, harm, or adverse health effect on something or someone. And risk is a situation involving exposure to danger. In this lesson, you will get to know more about hazards and risks. Are you ready?
Workers falling during steel fixing and erection of formworks. Collapse of formworks or false work. Materials falling during the striking of formworks. Silica dust from scabbling operations. Manual handlings of shutters, reinforcing bars, and etc. Cement burns from wet cement. Arm and back strain or steel fixer.
Now, after identifying the hazards and risks, let's know how to avoid them.
Precaution, a plan, written health and safety method statement must be prepared before work commences, and all associated with the work made aware of its content. Must then be followed. Any deviation from the method statement must be communicated to all concerned. Workers must be provided with safe access to the work. Guardrails must be put in place as work progress. Access ladders must be properly erected, tied and project at least 1 meter above the landing platform. Ladder or an access scaffold must be used for access. Equipment must be in good order before use. Original manufacturer's pins must be used in an adjustable props. Formworks, false works, and temporary support must be checked, properly tied, footed, braced, and supported before loading and before pouring walls or columns. Workers must be protected from wet concrete by use of protective gloves and boots, and from the effect of silica dust by avoiding the need to scabble by using a retarder or the provision of respirators. There is a planned striking procedure that everyone is made aware of before the work commences.
Job well done, learners! To summarize our lesson, try to answer this activity.
What are the possible hazards and risks in the workplace? Okay, good luck. Okay, let's try to answer. Number 1. Workers falling during the steel fixing in direction of formworks. Number 2. Collapse of formworks and false wall. 3. Materials falling during the striking of formworks. Number 4. Silica dust from scabbing inspiration. And number 5. Manual handling of shutters, reinforcing, bars, etc. 6. Cement burns from the wet cement. And last but not the least, arm and back strain for steel fixers.
You are near towards the end of this module. Keep it up, learners. I commend you for your answers. Now you are ready for the next activity.
After successfully performing the assigned tasks, from what I have learned, you can identify hazard and risk present in the workplace.
To check your understanding about the lesson, answer the post-assessment on page 4.
Direction: supply the word or words to complete the sentence.
Well done, learners, for finishing this module. But wait, how was your score? Did you get a perfect score? Awesome! If not, don't worry, you still have a chance. Go over again on your module.
If you want to have additional knowledge in hazard and risk in the workplace, you can watch some videos in YouTube.
Were you able to achieve the learning objectives found on page 1? If yes, congratulations. If not, go over the module again. I am Teacher Ryan from Manonat Nabs, Paracel South District. Wish to extend my sincere gratitude to the following people for coming out with this useful self-learning module. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video learning.